Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to zoom out on Windows. So let's have a look now. You can use keyboard and mouse to zoom out on Windows. To do that, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. Now scroll down with your mouse wheel to zoom out. Keep scrolling until you reach your desired zoom level. Or you can use keyboard shortcut to zoom out. Press Ctrl plus minus key to zoom out. There you go. Now you can press Ctrl plus 0 key to reset the zoom level. And that's it. Now you know how to zoom out on Windows easily. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.